Hey everybody, here with Charlotte, and we're in the Topanga Hills. And look, today we've got the oranging, which we thought was pretty clever. I think that was, is that your one?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Awesome, great. Yeah, like, that's as lame as we are.
Yeah.
So that's like that's why we're such good. So we're like
Dad jokes.
Yeah, dad jokes, all that. So oranging. I mean, yeah. Do you want to like just chat a little bit because we've got a cold? You know, we're adding ice in here. So you want to talk a little bit about the seasonality and what's going on here?
Yeah, I thought it'd be fun to kind of give some options to the different hemispheres of like the 30 days of Jing. We've done a couple of delicious warming hot tea combinations, and this was one that I just came up with the other day when it was pretty hot here in LA, and I was just wanting something like nice and refreshing but floral and kind of also sort of, you know, cute and elegant and soft and pretty. So I just grabbed an orange.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna quickly peel that off.
That's good. So you've already taken off the zest before from a tea we made, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Yum. Vitamin C bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like I don't do a lot of smoothies. Like I used to do them so often, but you know, like being here in the middle of summer makes it a little bit more sense to me. And you want to just make sure your digestive power is like absolutely rocking. I mean, this doesn't come out freezing.
No.
And it's just something to kind of watch. I think everyone's kind of waking up to the fact that putting like sopping wet, super complex, you know, freezing smoothies in your stomach and cooling down your body temperature is accumulatively, especially if you're if you're in your early 20s and like, you know, in your 20s, it's when you can do it, and everyone's like, smoothies are great, and then you get a little bit further on and it starts depleting your digestive system a little bit. So
Totally.
yeah, but you know what? You know, let's party with it. Now, all right, this is great because we've got this is like 3-ingredient cooler.
Really simple. Really simple.
Yep.
So we've got the orange chopped up in there in your blender. Do you want to stick your hand in there because I've got
Yeah, you got orange.
juicy,
how
juicy
big?
hand?
Like heaps?
No, not heaps. I'd like a small handful.
Like a small handful?
Yeah, like
Just like that?
a toddler fist.
Toddler fist? Wow, I'm like super, like, you know, I get smacked in the face by my toddler's fist all the time
So
anymore.
you know
So like,
how big that is?
perfect.
Yeah. Good.
Oh yeah, and you can be like, that's
Salt
quite
Bay.
arty. There's Rose
Rose
Bay.
Bay.
Rose Bay. I mean, I'm just like, I do love that. I mean, there's a little bit of vitamin C in the rose petal. Not as much as like a rose hip.
Yeah,
but
I don't know much about like what.
it's not
apart
much.
from just being really pretty and really nice and good for your heart.
Energetically, for the heart, I think especially, it's
Yeah.
like super opening. I think
Yeah.
if there's anything that, you know, I'll speak for myself, if there's anything the world needs, it's to smell, drink dew from, wear, and eat more flowers. Right?
Absolutely.
It's like, yeah,
absolutely.
there's like a certain romance that you're not going to be able to replicate, and you know, anywhere else, you know, from like in the culinary
Agreed.
scene. So
Agreed.
yeah, I'm loving it.
We do not have a teaspoon out here. We're just going to
Just bang it in.
wing it.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
So yeah, we've got our ice, we've got our rose, we've got our orange, we've got a little bit of water just to help it all move around, and we're just gonna
And just in case anyone didn't get it, oranging jing. That's the jing blend.
oranging.
So I mean, it's nice because like a jing, again, jing goes with a lot of bitters. Normally, it's nice to bring a little bit of sweetness to it, and a bit of like a floral nature. It kind of like makes it pop here.
I reckon we've probably got about a teaspoon,
Okay.
heaped teaspoon in there, so you can
Wonderful.
do that,
Let's
and let's blend it up. Yeah, I mean, if like you do have the whole petals in there, so you are going to have a little bit of texture. But if you do have like a really high-powered blender, we're using Vitamix, but like I, you know, use something not quite as high-powered at home, and just let it go for a little while, just so you're kind of getting that all those bits nice and fine. If you don't mind bits though, like which I don't mind like having a little
chew on the
bit to
petal.
try. Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking in here. It's just like, you know, just like you can see little pink particles lining all the walls. It's kind of got like a bit of like fairy dust, you know, right up and down that blender.
Exactly.
I like that.
Exactly.
All
And
right.
it's a soft, cloudy, rosy, lovely colour. So yeah, again, it's just like
You have your friends over on a Sunday afternoon, and you can like hang on, we can get like a little, you know, get a little,
little garnish
little
on there.
garnish going on there.
Yeah.
Always wins.
Great for a garden party.
Garden party.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
It's so nice.
Oh, and like,
It's-
yeah, we tried it before. Like this one's nailed.
Yeah.
This is so nice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's just so simple and it's so soft and nourishing and yeah, on a hot summer's day.
All right, guys, go forth, oranging and prosper. Enjoy that one. Please let us
Yep.
know what you think. It is like a delish way to get your jing into you and nourish up those adrenals.
Mm-hmm.